Hi, we're Zoe and Matt from DSR, and this week we travelled up to rainy Birmingham for Motorcycle Live at the NEC. Here are our 5 key takeaways.
But don't forget to stay tuned until the end of the video to find out which bikes we would choose to take home with us.
So, number 1, the focus on electric motorcycles. Clearly, it is a big focus for the manufacturers. The show made sure they were front and centre with a little indoor testing track. We saw the likes of Thelmoco, Super Soco and Maving whizzing around. That Thelmoco actually looks pretty cool in the blue. What was especially nice to see was over at the Cowie station, they had displayed the EV and ZEV. Can't wait to test them out in the future.
Number 2, the dedication to the lesser known motorcycle manufacturers. In a time where cash is king, do I dare mention the cost of living crisis? There are other options out there, Fantic, Xantis, and quite frankly, some of these models looked spectacular.
Number 3 then, lack of new bikes. What is going on? We don't want to do a disservice to the likes of the Royal Enfield Super Meteor, and of course the new 23 Ducatis, they were looking sexy. But Yamaha, what's the gen on all those names you patented? And KTM, are we going to see big changes to our 1290s? The overhaul we were promised on the GT, for instance. Some manufacturers did just cart out the 22 stock, even some 21s hanging around.
Number 4, I found out you actually aren't allowed to do wheelies on the adventure section. Who knew? The adventure section this year was awesome, supported by our friends at Explore Motor Limited who had teamed up with Royal Enfield. They're the ones patrolling and looking after the bikes, doing a great job. We had the Pan Am, the Triumph Tigers, Himalayans, Honda CRFs, Ducati X. A great little track, definitely worth booking in.
Now, as promised, what were our favourites, you ask? Mine was the Panigale V4R. Oof, just look at that.
Well, mine, you may be surprised, is the BMW M1000RR.
There is still a chance to go. Closes on Sunday. Prices are £22 for adults, £1 under 18s and free for under 5s. More expensive on the day though. Also, pre-book your car parking to avoid devastating on the day costs. It is free if you ride, but remember it is Birmingham, it is November and you are likely to get wet.
Well, until the next one guys, ride safe.